It's like nature, you know. Before we start, please subscribe the channel and turn all notifications on. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Cooks Travel. It's a beautiful day, I was gonna say, but it started a little bit raining. Still, I'm gonna take this chance to make a beautiful stew dish coming from Anatolia. All ingredients in front of me. It's not a lot, but it's very tasty. It's gonna be on the fire. So let's see how we are gonna do this today. Fire is ready, meat is ready, and we are starting up. It's a pretty big amount of the meat. So I'm gonna show you how to cut it. So they call it corned beef. It's a pretty strong side of the muscles coming from. So as a recommendation of this meat is usually boil or steam it. So I'm gonna make it in the pot for longer cooking. So see how it goes, how it's gonna work today. When you see inside, it's like a marble, less in fat. I'm gonna make really good tasty dish with this beautiful meat. I'm gonna cut this one in small pieces. This is about 3 kilo. So I'm planning to make all of that, but see how it goes if I can fit it in. Pot is pretty big, so it shouldn't be too hard to make it. We'll keep the white fat to have a little bit more taste than the usual. As you see, if you cut it in small pieces, it's really easy to cook it. Drops the cooking time shorter. I'll leave this one on the side now. We've got another member at home, Fındık, which is my pet dog. I'm gonna leave some of them for her. She's a 6 months old puppy. Meat goes in. Pot is already hot, very hot. So I'm gonna transfer this one to the fire pit. Oil. We are putting on the fire. I haven't finished yet. So what I'm gonna do, keep this one up, give it a bit stir. We'll keep it for a short time until the juice comes out from the meat, and we'll let the meat cook with its own juice. And then I'm gonna add rest of the ingredients inside of it. I'll quickly arrange garlics. This is the amount it's gonna go inside of the pot. And garlic, they're all gonna go together. Now we are only waiting. This is what we are gonna do. Only watch it. As soon as I believe meat is just like slightly cooked, I'll add other ingredients inside. A little bit vinegar, just like small amount. And start throwing in all ingredients one by one. Salt. Whoop. Black pepper. Tomato paste. Small amount of chili paste, little bit sweet paprika, now you can even see the color is changing in. Shallots and garlics going now. little bit of parsley. Just a small amount of parsley will help give extra taste. When you see its beautiful color, the amount of the meat and shallots, little garlic, now we're gonna add the main thing is water. We need to add the water about 3 centimeters above the meat. Lid goes on top of it. Bay leaf. We have to add bay leaf. It is must. Very lasting. Lid goes on top of the pot. Now we are going to keep it for 3 hours, and I'm going to make sure it's always enough fire underneath. Beautiful. Finally, end of the cooking process. This is exactly what I want. So beautiful, tasty. Meal is ready for dinner. Beautiful Anatolian onion stew with beef meat. Now I'm going to transfer some of the meat to my plate, and we are going to have a little bit taste. Smell goes all over the place. And time to have great taste. Beautiful onion and beef stew. Time to have a taste. Beautiful dinner. Very hot and spicy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have a small amount of the chunk with juice. It's very hot. I can even smell it from here. So beautiful. Great. Very soft, so tender, beautiful, tasty, great. I can even feel the beautiful onion, garlic, chili, all combination together. You shouldn't be cooking it under 3 hours. 3 hours is just the perfect time. Please subscribe my channel. I'm gonna make more of those ones. Summer is coming to Australia now. So after the COVID restrictions, I'll be making beautiful dishes all around in Victoria. Thank you very much.